How do content creators make money? It's a question that everyone wants an answer to. I'm talking the banks, my former boss, family and friends, aspiring content creators, and especially people I'm meeting for the very first time. So in this video, we are going to break down all the different income streams and monetization options available to creators, mostly so that you can realize your earning potential if you are an aspiring or current creator, and so that I have a video that sums it all up for the next overly inquisitive taxi driver. We are going to lead with brand deals, because not only is it the first thing that comes to mind when we think of content creators and influencers, it is what makes up the majority of my income. A brand deal is when a brand pays you to create content that features or mentions their products or services. This concept is usually what people are talking about when they refer to the creator economy. Traditional marketing efforts are shifting more and more towards influencer and digital content campaigns. It's cheaper than producing an entire TV commercial or even doing a printed ad in a magazine or newspaper. Because when it comes to influencer marketing, you're usually compensating one person rather than an entire production team, complete with makeup and hairstylists. As a digital creator, I'm all in one. The brand deal has evolved over time, and it looks different depending on the campaign goals, your specific skill set, and value add. Brands can pay you for your influence over your community. That's where the word influencer came from. In this situation, your ability to reach and genuinely connect with your audience is more valuable than your content creating skills. Alternatively, brands can pay you for your content. This they might post organically on their own feed or use to run digital ads. This falls under the category of UGC, or user-generated content, which is really having its moment over on TikTok. This is because to make money as a UGC creator, your following count does not matter. It's the quality of your content that counts, as well as your ability to tell a story and sell something. Or brands can pay you for a combination of both. This is what is most common in traditional brand deals. You get paid to create content that lives on your page while granting brands permission to use it in their own digital promotion efforts. When it comes to landing these types of deals, you can either pitch brands, which I strongly recommend you do, especially in the beginning, or you can rely on inbound requests, which happens with time as you begin to build your online presence. Either way, make sure you think about your social media platforms as a digital portfolio. A brand should be able to check your page and within a few seconds see an example of what you could create for them. Next up, affiliate programs. Affiliate marketing is when you get compensated for driving sales through a unique link or discount code. And don't side-eye me on this one. Yes, as creators, our DMs and email inboxes are full of these very scammy affiliate requests. Don't join those ones. Join programs that you have sought out. And just a general red flag, if a company is asking you to spend money, it's probably not real. To get started with affiliate marketing, I recommend you look at all of the products and services that you use all the time and you find yourself recommending to people over and over again. Then see if they have an affiliate program. I have literally just Googled brand name plus affiliate, and usually something will show up. This is actually how I joined the program for TubeBuddy, KeySearch, Artlist, all programs and tools that I was using already and paying for. Do note that affiliate marketing is really only worth your time if you're doing it intentionally. And from personal experience, my links perform the best when I host them on a blog. I have a number of roundup posts over on Comfy Girl with Curls, whether it's my list of cute camera bags, a list of books for Black kids with natural hair, Black-owned Etsy candles, and all of them are search engine optimized so that they reach their intended readers, and they're also jam-packed with affiliate links. They bring me ongoing passive income as long as people are still reading the posts, clicking the links, and buying something. Next, ad revenue. Another great form of passive income. When I say ad revenue, the YouTube Partner Program is probably what comes to mind first. This is when YouTube shares a percentage of the revenue from the ads shown on your videos. This is why YouTube is still considered one of the top tier platforms for creating on. They actually give the creators who make the platform what it is a cut of their profits. TikTok, Instagram, you guys taking notes? You can only apply to the program once you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours over the course of the past 12 months. Personally, I've hit the first one, Thank you to all 1,000 plus of you, but I've got a ways to go on the watch hours. So if you want to help me out, check out more of my videos after this one, hit like, subscribe, and share this video. Perhaps with the next nosy person who asks how content creators are able to sustain themselves. Just a thought. Another way that you can tap into ad revenue is actually through your blog. We've all seen it. Ads on the sidebar, ads between the content, pop-up ads. Yes, I recognize it can get a little excessive and annoying. But with the perfect balance, you can earn some extra income while still respecting the user experience of your site's visitors. Your website can actually qualify for Google AdSense pretty early on in the game. There's no minimum traffic requirement. And yes, I'm talking about the same Google AdSense that runs the ads on YouTube. Then as your website continues to build traffic, you can qualify for higher paying publishers. Next, let's talk about subscriptions and membership services. This is where the concept of Kevin Kelly's 1,000 True Fans comes into play. If you're not familiar with it, is the idea that you don't need to have 1 million followers, subscribers to make a living as an entrepreneur or creator. You just need 1,000 true fans. People who truly believe in you and will support anything you do. If 1,000 people spend $100 a year on you and your business, that's $100,000. And this is where a lot of these membership services and subscriptions come into play. This is where you get to offer exclusive content, merch, access to you through a recurring fee. This can be done through Patreon, Stan, which we're going to talk about more in a little bit, and now even the social giants seem to want in, with YouTube offering membership options and Instagram offering subscriptions. Next, you can sell something. First, physical products. This can come in the form of merch, where you're putting your logo, a catchphrase, or something uniquely you on clothing, accessories, mugs, or something that's niche specific. That's a hard word to say. Products can also take the form of something completely unique. This goes above and beyond just slapping your branding on something that already exists. Think of a problem that your audience might face, and think of a product that could provide a solution. The first thing that comes to mind is Peter McKinnon's recent camera tool, which I think sold out like that. On the other side of the selling things spectrum, you have digital products and downloadables. This is where you can make something once and sell it over and over and over again. Passive income. There are honestly so many types of digital products out there, and what you can sell really depends on your niche and your audience's needs. But some ideas to get you started, there are ebooks, presets, templates, printables. In my case, I have had a lot of people come to me for Pinterest help. So I put together a Pinterest starter guide that includes a self-audit checklist. Then I uploaded it to my Stan store and put it up for sale. Next, you can provide a service. This is where you can really leverage your skill set, knowledge, and expertise. What are people in your DMs asking you for personalized feedback and help on? Consider setting up coaching or consultation calls or doing audits of some sort. We see a lot of people offering these services in the social media marketing space, but the idea is transferable to any niche. I know fitness creators who will do one-on-one calls to provide fitness plans for people. I know fashionistas who will offer the service of helping you sort through your wardrobe or helping you determine your sense of style. If there's something that people want your help with, there are people out there that will pay. I want to note that I don't think people should be going out and trying to exploit everybody for money, but setting up actual services and calls is a great way to enact boundaries with people and protect your time and energy. And the last monetization option we're going to cover is courses, which, similar to a lot of these coaching and consultation services, get a lot of hate. And while I do think there's a very questionable aspiring influencer to social media coach pipeline, providing a course is a great way to help out your audience. And when it comes to choosing your course hosting platform, there are endless options out there. So do your research and take your pick. But do note that Stan just launched its own too. And that's actually a perfect segue into my Stan plug. No, this is not sponsored, but I am a Stan ambassador and a very passionate Stan user. Stan is your all-in-one creator store. I often describe it as my financial safety net as a creator. It allows you to host a lot of the monetization options we've covered in this video in one place, all with an easy interface and checkout process for your audience. It's commonly mislabeled as a link in bio, but While it is a link that can live in your bio, it is way more than that. I use it to host my digital product, book one-on-one calls. It syncs automatically with my Zoom account and Google Calendar, provide Pinterest audit services, link to my website, and link to any affiliate links I have. If you're looking at giving it a try, I strongly recommend you come up with a monetization plan first, have your digital products and services ready to go, and then click the link in my description for a 14-day free trial. No matter which monetization options you end up choosing, know that the best way to make money sustainably as a creator is to have many income streams, both active and passive. So don't be afraid to mix and match to find the perfect balance for you and your audience. Let me know in the comments which you are already leveraging and what you're going to pursue in the future. And I'll see you in the next video.